Alright, what's going on, guys? Give you a little update on the car. I hear Jacob is chomping at the bit. I got the roof done. I don't think I had that done in the last one. So I replaced all these bracings. The front one didn't even have one. And so I got all those in. This one's actually a 69. It's a little different. The 67, 68s are only about this wide right here. So the 69 is a lot wider, stronger. And I basically had to fab this entire piece and the underside piece right here. Refabbed all that. And I did the same thing on the other side. I did a little bit on the other side. So I still got a little bit of work to do. Like I gotta patch this spot right here, and then I got a lot bigger spot over here. I gotta patch all that, and put this in. I basically refabbed like half of this on the other side, the underside of it. So I got all that done. And then I got on the A-pillars here, I replaced this whole section. You can kind of see where I spliced it right here. So basically all this is new. Goes down in here. The fender bolts on the bottom side, all that was gone. I had these old ones that Brian cut off his car. Brian from Scream Performance, he gave me these, hooked me up. These they were a little rusty in some spots, and I had to weld them up and grind them down, but they came out really nice once I did that. And now at least I have some now. So I did that on both the driver and the passenger side, and they came out pretty nice. And then one of the other things I've got done is I put new outer rockers on. So all that's brand new. And of course you can kind of see where I spliced it. Spliced it right here. Yep. So both driver and passenger side is done. You can see where I cut it. You can see where I spliced it up. So new outer rockers on both the driver and passenger side. So I still have to I cut the parts of the inner rocker out, and it's going to get cut back here. So I still got the inner rocker to finish, but I have to wait till I put my new cage in, and that's coming along pretty soon. So the next thing to do is I'm gonna weld in I gotta make little patch pieces for both corners, and I'm gonna weld in the dash, and then that'll be in there. Like I said, fix these holes, and then basically all this up to here, car up to here, is pretty much done. And I got some patch panels for the quarters. So I got patch panels from here. I'm gonna do those. I'm gonna redo all this right here on both sides. And then once I get that done, I gotta make a jig for the body, a frame jig, and I'm gonna completely redo the whole roll cage. So should be fun. I just got the roll cage the other day. It's a full Chris Austin from Chassis Works 4130 roll cage, and I'll show you. I got it in the back of my truck. Bam, there you go. Full 4130 chromoly roll cage. That'll be going in probably a month or so. But it's getting there. I'm gonna start putting some epoxy on the body because I'm getting tired of cleaning the body. So anywhere that I got it finished, I'm gonna start epoxying it, getting it out of bare metal. So it's getting there, slowly but surely. So I hope you enjoy the update later on.